Morning, Joel. Oh, God. Good morning, Raven. I see you're a sports betting connoisseur now or something, right? I don't know why, but I keep getting notifications whenever anybody types in that. I don't know how to fix that.
Oh,
And we're up. Okay. We got no news again. We got. Oh, Jesus. Oh, candle flipped.
do you think we push back up to the 890s ish, 880s?
Uh, let's see. I don't think so. I think we go lower.
Yeah, it's looking like it's getting rejected. Down to like the 760, 790.
We gotta get through the VWAP if we want to go up. We'll see. Morning, Flag Bobby. Morning, AJ. Yes, we do at 10 now. Wait, we have news at 10. What is it? I don't see anything. You have revised payroll? Is it for USD or is it for something else?
Oh, I'm fucking freezing right now.
I know it's chilly today. United States non-farm payrolls annual revision. I have these two. Because it says on NAS 100. Well, what folder is it, or like how high impact is it? You got the fundeds already, AJ? I kind of gave up. What I do, I mean, I have like 13 Apex fundeds, and I have like 5 Take Profit Trader evals left, and I'm just working with those for now. Who's my FX book says red on there? It's a big discrepancy. I don't know why mine's not saying it. I used to use investing.com, and this says like 2-star news on at 24 minutes. So yeah, that would be 10 o'clock. Okay, so I guess I'll just be careful at 10 o'clock, because I have no idea.
I feel like this is gonna push up here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I hope so, because I meant
I got into.
video's pushing up.
Yes, looks like it wants to push up. Yes, is kind of breaking out. Yes, broke the high.
Yeah, NVIDIA still pushing higher.
Okay, yes, it's just going up in 1 NQ. times are we gonna bounce off this EMA?
Good question.
Oh my god. Don't break it.
Come on, rip up.
And ES is back. ES pulled all the way back to the E EMA.
How did we never even get the pop from fucking NQ?
Hopefully that's the trap.
Stop filled.
I am a top tick demon, I tell you. A top tick demon.
ES hold on this EMA and then we finally push up. Hopefully that's the trap. Nope.
What's it like to be green? What's it like? I literally don't know. I cannot win a trade to save my life. I
That's
don't
a
know. I
trap.
genuinely don't know what to do.
Please tell me that's the trap.
You're still in.
Yeah.
I
Oh my god, dude. This is... It's gotta be the trap, right?
think I've lost my last 11 trades. That were on like a funded or whatever, because obviously I had to win some to fucking pass. But
Jesus
so I'll go for
Christ.
some month strats
What
before
is that?
before other strats other months. Just a slow grind. We probably will get a fucking rip if we've had 10 fucking slow grindy red candles in a row. Normally you just have one fucking move. Well, we'll see.
We'll see if I can survive. Probably not, because this is fucking gay.
I took that sale. I haven't taken a trade in like 5 days. I feel like I've seen setups. I just haven't made any money on any of them. Johnny's still in, yeah, he is. Only made like 12 points. Hey. Better than nothing. I don't know what to do. I'm having the worst time trading ever.
It's gotta rip right here, right? It's gotta rip. what Pat just said. Takis.
What did he say?
He's been in long too, and he just said, "You can't stop me out, market makers, if I don't have a stop."
Ugh. I don't get Apex. So where's the buffer line? Anything over 2,100 you can take out, but you need at least $500. So you basically need to get to 2,600 in profit if you want a 50K. Higher than higher low. Remember that?
Push.
I know. I just think like that's the higher low, but maybe I should be waiting for the push up and then the push down and then the break above here.
Push. We're back to the green.
We may just shut the. We have targets to the downside and the upside. I don't know. I'm not talking about the chart. Oh yeah. God, it literally was like I'm back to break even though, AJ. It's not even higher highs and higher lows. It was like higher high in my low. It's just keep getting closer to my break even. I'm gonna fucking blow 60K in evals before I get a fucking payout. Oh my god.
Yes, is not looking good. Yes, is not looking nearly as good as Q. This thing's gonna dump and I'm gonna fucking sit on it.
Like joined in on the sports bets. I lost $3,000 sports betting last week. All my locks lost. The Bengals were supposed to win by -6. They only won by 1. The Chiefs I had -3. They lost, and the Lions got eviscerated in my money line. Should use my signals. I'm just a fucking the biggest of fattest of losers right now and everything. My server. You trying to mute my server? It's just so fucking. I'm like, what is dinging here? I'm talking about sports betting.
What?
I'm like, all right.
Oh my. And it finally stops me up. Watch, now it's gonna go.
What's up? What did I miss? You lost me taking a trade and losing per usual. I'm gonna pray for you tonight,
Connection
alright? You and Johnny. No, I don't think the Lord likes me. I know that feeling you're going through right now, bro. Don't worry, the shit will be back. I don't think I will. I think I've lost it all. It was all luck. I have no talent, and I'm just gonna continue to get absolutely rinsed. That's the only logical thing. I'm like turning gay. I'm sorry. Dang, I've only been gone a week. What's happening, Mike? Priv, I have not won a trade in 3 weeks. Sorry, yo. This isn't the Mike I know and love and love. I don't know what to do. I have been so demoralized. And I'm not even looking for, like, this is the extreme. That's where I put my take profit. I'm literally just trying to get the highest high, or the closest high, or 15 points. So it's like, I was literally just going to be going for, like, here. Like, what is it? Where did I get in? The 43s? I was going for, like, the 58s. So as long as it hit that, I would have just started trailing immediately. Because I realized that if you make 15 points a day, in 3 weeks you'll be getting max payout. That's all you need. Bro, these periods happen. I have never had a losing streak this bad before. Especially coming off the hottest streak ever. Pretty good. I've been on a win streak. I think I just blew my take profit trader accounts. Yeah, I did. I don't know how to win. Oh, this shit sucks. This shit sucks so bad. Like, it's not you, it's the market. It's September. It's always like this every year. I don't know. Why are you getting involved there? Your previous stream shows you getting involved after. It's obviously going in a direction, not chopping on the entry. I didn't think it was chopping. I thought we were just pushing up. We push above, we pull back to the EMA and the VWAP, and we trap lower, and we push up, and we look like we're going to go higher. Study your winning streams. I gotta go back fucking 7 months to find one. Don't blame yourself when you're consistent on your setup. I don't know. One big candle is not pushing up. I mean, but in general, we're just like going up and we're getting above the EMA and we're getting above the VWAP. If anything, maybe my entry should have been here, but I would have lost anyways. Stops at this low. Wait for like the pull down, the push out, the push down, and then the go. But I would have gotten cooked immediately anyways. Look at the overlapping bars, that's super clear chop. Yeah, but like, this fucking fly. Good lord. Like, is this considered chop? Like, I don't know, it's been 5 candles. It just looks like it's building out a fucking bull flag. I don't consider that chop 5 minutes into the day. I don't know. These candles are in engulfing candle strat. I never use it, but I thought it was epic. I don't know. Feeling demotivated in a month, making 60 days more than enough motivation to carry on. You're just going through it. It happens. Oh, brother. What's going on, Epe? That's not obvious direction from your previous streams. Start waiting for 5 minutes. This fucking fly, I swear to God, I'm not in the mood. Oh. You'd normally get involved if it's moving to around 23,868.
This thing's got a dump right here, right?
What is 868? 860. That's the thing. I thought it was like that's what I thought the next leg would do, though. It's like, okay, we push up, we pull back, we push up, we pull back, we push up. but we didn't get the push up. So you're saying I would normally get involved if it pushed up through here and then pulled back and made a bull flag and then went? It's not like I never had a time. I definitely took some early trades that I won on and stuff. When the 5 minute gets a lot of wicks, that's when you hop off. Yeah, but I think I was trading the first 5 minute candle. And then which funded firm are you using? Right now, or like normally, Apex, My Funded Futures, and Take Profit Trader, Alpha Futures. Right now, I just have Apex. I just put my Take Profit Trader accounts. I think you just have to control the downside now, both financial and maybe most importantly the emotional downside. Oh no, my emotional fucking well-being is in the shitter right now. It's gone. It's over. I miss when it was only 3 losers watching Mike. Wow. Short from 8-11. Good luck. I don't hate it. I'd be waiting for like a bear, more of a flag, but is it blueberry good? The fuck are you talking about? Stop, break even?
It's just gonna pull all the way back.
That was quick. Wait, Jersey Fed taking 1. Blueberry funded account? What the fuck are you talking about? Plus, you said your entries, your best entries are normally after 10 a.m. Did I say that? Is there a way I can like go back and just? Let's go to some green days while I'm looking into here. Literally look. Wait. Hold on. Let me. This is my calendar so far for September. I haven't got to use my green pen yet because I lost every day, or doing evals, so that didn't count. But and then the week before, oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. And then all last week, all red, and that day red. I haven't had a green day since August 20th. We're fucking halfway through September. Alright, let me go to August 20th. Well, this market chops some more. I feel you. That's exactly why you need to slow down the accounts trading and get back to studying what you were doing during your winning phases. I Like I'm not doing anything different. That's the issue. This trade I took was at 9:39 in the morning. The day before. Like, I don't think it's like. This was 9:45. So those were both before 10. Let's go to Friday. That was from 9:37 and 9:45, so that was before 10. This one, I had a winner, a loser, and a winner. On the 14th. This one, I lost at 10:08 and won at 10:15. August 7th, I lost. Wait a minute, what day was that? That was a different day. Oh, that was break even, maybe? Okay, wait, this day. August 13th. Oh no, this trade was break even. Or this trade? The fuck is this? Wednesday, August 13th? I'm so confused. Oh no, I went break even here and I didn't take this. Okay. I'm like, nice catching up. Take my advice if you will. Take it easy and slow down. I think you're aggressively trading to get your accounts back, but when you had your accounts previously, you was so. Like, define aggressively trading, though. That's what I don't even understand. Tuesday. I got burnt on that. That's what I said was a bad trade. I remember that. Monday. I don't know. I don't know. Just keep winning, easy. I don't even know what it's like to win. I don't know. Yesterday was the closest I felt to a win. Because it at least went up in profit first. And then I got stopped here, break even, and then I went.
I've never hated trading more right now.
Yeah, 100%.
So bad. It's just so bad. Is it just right? Is this just straight chop? Is every day just straight chop?
I don't even know. I don't even think there's a chop now. We're going down, right? I mean,
It's so bad right now. Ugh.
yeah, that's my last 11 trades. I don't know what to do. I have no idea. I am going through it. can't say this PA is clean. The problem is, like, it doesn't look like it's not clean. Or, like, there's nothing I could have taken so far that would win, but, I mean, we're not going straight sideways. We're starting to move. I mean, like, this isn't good, I guess, but if we break a, like, if we just come up and then break a new low, it would be trending. Like the 5-minute chart. ES and NQ. I mean, ES I feel like has been especially bad. Just because it has less. Oh my god. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what. The problem is, as soon as you change anything, all you do is see the stuff that would have won before. You change it, you take a trade, you lose, you go, oh, well, if I did this, then I would have just won if I just stuck with what I was doing. I don't know what to adapt to. I just feel like when the market looks like it's going to go up, I'm getting in, and then it's not going up. And then when the market looks like it's about to go lower, it's not going lower. Go get a steak dinner to reset your mental. I don't think that's gonna help. I don't know.
Trading sucks. Fantasy sucks.
At least I won in fantasy. I made $25 for highest scorer of the week. Whoa.
Everyone on my team got hurt.
Problem is, there's no clean setups in my opinion, so just need to not trade. Not in New York, AM recently. I feel like clean is such a hindsight thing that I think it just works or it doesn't work, and like lately it just hasn't been working. Like lately it's like, oh, we go through this, we break out, we buy. And then if it were to rip up, it's like, oh, that was clean. A clean bull flag. Bounce right off the VWAP, the EMA. It's like, the setup, I think setups still look clean. I just don't think they're executing.
just finally when it pushes up.
Who knows? Swear, you see how clean PA is if the setup ripped up to TP, except when you take it and the execution chops you up, it's low prop conditions and you should have stayed out. Yeah, that's what I feel like. It's like, oh, can't you tell that this is low prob? It's like, no. When I'm sitting here looking at it like this, it's like I just expect the days to be like they were. And it's like, I don't know, we come down, we bull flag, and we start to fucking push higher. And then we just don't. And then we don't again. Like, even if I shouldn't have gotten here, I should have gotten there. Especially after we, like, trap below the VWAP, come up, pull back above, push up. It's like, and then I would have just went in here and then just got... I wouldn't even have gotten slow death grinded down. I literally would have gotten fucking... would have went for here. I would have had stops here. And I would have got fucking raped. It's like these are trades I was taking. It's like it makes the next leg up, it pulls back, it goes to make the next leg. I think we're breaking out, but we're just not. Like it plays out. How could I tell the future would chop me up? Yeah, I agree, Spencer.
And this was the pump we were looking for.
Who knows? It'll probably get fucking held up right here again. Fucking chop back down to the bottom of the 50-minute range. Oh, man. I don't know what to do. Hello, Raven.
Like, I don't see how anyone's making money in this.
I don't know. People are, though. This is the struggle to being the best. This is like at the end of the day, if you can do it only once to 100K, then you can do it twice. Yeah, trading's just so hard because you can feel like nothing changes in what you're doing, but the result is different. I just don't know. Oh, I don't know. You just see other people, and I swear, or I know other people have fucking bad times and shit like that, but do they just lose all sense of confidence when they do or not? Because that's what happens to me. Like, I sit there and it's like, I mean, how can you not lose some confidence when you are at like all-time highs and then you just lose 11 trades in a row? what feels like I'm taking my same setup. Maybe I pre-jump the gun sometimes or something because I think we're gonna get the pop early, but like, is that? I mean, I don't know because a lot of times we do get the pop early and I fucking miss out, but I don't know. It's like this time I waited for the dip, I wait for the pump, and then I'm scared because we never push through anything. So as soon as we take out this high in reverse, I'm like, okay, I just want to go fucking stop to break even, and then what happens? It fucking rips all the way back up anyways. I just feel like I can't win in the moment. Yeah, let's watch this fucking blow through every EMA and everything, and then just used to literally enter and already know the trade won. Now it's the opposite. I know it's going to lose. I swear it's crazy. It's I swear.
The fact that this thing's pulling back is crazy.
We'll see. Like range traders must be fucking balling. Same rules, same everything. Like, are you profitable, Spencer, or have you like taken payouts and stuff, or you just mean like throughout like your evals and your accounts you have been doing good and now you've just been getting rinsed? You want to go over the trades tonight? I don't know. Every time I backtest, it makes me feel like trading's impossible. That's the problem. I get like less confidence when I backtest, not more. But I don't look at everything, and I don't know. Those 2 months I got rinsed all my accounts. I got to write it down. Do you have clear rules? Yes, but I don't think, or like, no, I don't know. It's don't lose more than $600 a day and enter on bull flags that you think are breaking out that pull back to EMAs. Like, I feel like the more mechanical you get, it's just impossible to be profitable long term. So you have to just strictly use discretion and try to win on a day-to-day basis. Like, I don't believe anybody when they're like, oh, I tested this fucking IFVG model, and you just no context, no nothing, and you just do this and you wait for this to happen, and then that happens. And then I win 75% of the time with a 1-to-2 risk reward because that's what fucking people say, but I don't buy it. Like, so I don't even know if I want to go over much because it's like, if I'm taking trades, I trust myself that I'm taking trades that I like. I mean, I will admit when there's bad trades, like, if I do, it's like this one, it's just so hindsight. I don't know. I mean, probably I should have waited for the bigger bull flag or bear flag, and then it's the push out the trap. Then you get short here when we push below, and you do stops at the highs, even though it's 50 points. So you do stops here, which is 30 points, and then you probably lose because you enter here, and then I'd get wigged out by a fucking tick. Because I don't allow more than 30 point stop, even though I would like to do 50 on that. No, you do need discretion. Nobody says it though. Yeah. I mean, some people are like, oh, discretionary, but like the people are like, I just wait for this and this and this, and then I do that, and then I win 80% of the time, and I make this much R every single time, and I don't know. It just does not seem to be as easy as people say. I mean, either don't buy it or read mechanical systems. Yeah. So it's like I just look for targets or whatever, and like now I have no fucking confidence whatever. So I'm like sitting there, and I'm like, all right, I only like this was the target obviously, but if it got up to 15 points, I was gonna take it. Like if we got to like this high, it's like I was gonna take it because we just don't get any follow through to these targets like we were. I swear, like last month or like a month and a half ago or 2 months, whatever it was, I swear it would just be like, oh, breakout, right to target, okay, and then it was just so easy. And right now, I just feel like we can't find a target to say. I mean, we took out these lows, these Asia lows. We get to the pivot point, and we bounce. But it's just like the process of getting there is an absolute bitch. It's like before, it would literally be like, if we wanted to go to this, we'd be like, I mean, even that's probably a fucking bad example. It was literally just like boop, 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 and that was it. It's like that's how we got to like the fucking targets before. Or if we wanted to go higher, we would like that's the thing. That's what I'm still trading off of because it's like oh higher here or I'll do it even on the thing. It's like okay we go here, we come back, we go here, we come back, we would go here. That's just literally just how it would work. Or maybe we go like here, and then pull back, and then go here. Like I swear it was a straight trend. Little thing I do is if I'm looking for a bull flag, I need a green bar. Then my entry is when the high of that bar gets broken. Tends to keep me out of a lot of losing trades. I need a green bar, then my entry. If I'm looking for a bull flag, I need a green bar. Then my entry is when the high of that bar gets broken. I mean, I was like, that's kind of what I did though. Like I kind of do the same thing. Like. Or I say I probably should, or not probably, because I just thought we were going to bounce off of that. Like, cause discretionarily, like mechanically, I should wait for this, because I feel like that's what I do. But discretionarily, I thought we were going to pump off of that, and I didn't want to miss the move. Which I don't know if that's fucking fear or greed, or fucking poor discretion, or whatever the fuck, I don't know. If you lose, it's some random thing, but if you win, it's a good trade. I don't know how to discern it. But it's like, that's your green candle. I don't know if that's what you would count as a green candle, so it's like, and then we break above. So we're breaking above like this high. But even if the other case, it's like if we make this like our green candle. Like I think I was doing more of that before. Like pull up, push up, wait for the push up, and then to like round out, and then I'd get long above this. So yeah, I would have got long like here. Maybe check your past winners and see if that happens. I think you need some ideas/rules. That, and this is key, can be adapted to different conditions. Got to know how to switch gears, which I'm still learning to do. But that's the thing. It's like it's not a new rule. Like I don't need like new ideas or rules. I need to be able to adapt because it's like you wouldn't have said that because like if I'm following the same rules I was before and that just made me 60K during that time, everybody would say, "Oh, you're a wizard. Every trade you take is a winner." So it's like, so my rules weren't wrong when I'm winning, but my rules are only wrong when I'm losing. That's kind of like an issue. It's like my rules are, like people are like, "Oh, well, your rules need to change." It's like, yeah, my rules only need to change because I'm losing. I don't know. Because when I win, you don't need to change the rules. So what says you on that one? The one you want to enter on, I mean? No, I still would have entered though, right? Because this is your green candle, and then you push below it, and then you push back above it, and you get it. Or on this one, where it's like you push below it, or you push back up. So there's your green candle. You push below, you trap, you push back up, and you don't go. Like I would have entered here because of that high. We're breaking it, and then I still would have lost. By the time you switch rules, the month will be over, and PA will be different to the conditions that you adapted to. Exactly, Spencer. It's what always happens. You sit there, and you do really good, then you get fucking rinsed, and then you try to switch, and then as soon as you switch, you just start seeing trades that would have won if you just stuck to what you did, and then you end up switching back to what you fucking did. It sucks. Yeah, the rules were fine, but understanding how they work with different environments. Right, so then, like, but this is the thing. So now it's like, I have to add in new stuff because of the different environment, and then, now I'll add it in, like Spencer says, and then as soon as I add it in, it'll prevent me from getting in some trade or something, and then I'll have 10 trades in a row that if I would have got in before, or like, I would normally get in, but now I changed my rule, and then all 10 of those would work because it switches back, like he says. By the time you realize the environment is different, it's like 11 days into the month, yeah. Yeah, because you can't discern a losing streak from a losing trade. So it's just like, in the beginning, you're just like, oh, well, I lost, I'm bound to lose. Like, I knew that. The fuck is, who's texting me? But, yeah, like your first trade, you're just like, all right, losing trade. Second trade, you're like, oh, losing trade. And then, like, you just keep losing and losing and losing. And then eventually you're like, oh, all right, the markets are changed. Like, and then, yeah, that takes fucking 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And then after that, Like 934, you want to enter, so only get in if the bar's high gets broken on the next bar. I did, or like technically it did, right? Oh, on this bar. So you would only enter up here. So like you would only, yeah, you'd only enter if it came above this blue candle. So,
Tyrone's back. Tyrone.
is that Tyrone? Oh my god. Long time no see. Like, see, I would like to short this. Stops here. What does the ES look like? Yeah, we didn't trap yet, but. Oops. Let's see if my idea plays out. I don't have a target, so. No, the 934 bar high. This is the 934 bar high. That's what I'm saying. So if this ended up breaking above this, then you'd get in. So if the 936 bar broke above the 934 bar high, then you'd get in like up here. How you been, Tyrone? What's been going on?
First move that just like fully win, I feel like, in so long.
That's that. Like my target wouldn't be there normally. It's just because I'm so fearful. Like I would be like, okay, back to the lows, and we'll see what happens. Lost my apex and just took a huge break. Only trading one trade a day now. I feel like one trade a day is a good way to go about it. Miss John's voice. Exactly, this is the problem. How soon do you adapt? This happened to me just recently. Over 250 method-based trades over 6 weeks to target with my fund and futures. Then things changed. Yeah. Feel your pain, bro. Though, or feel your pain though, bro. Eddie, what's been going on recently? Feels like I'm a more experienced trader, but was a better trader when I knew less. Feels shitty. Like, see, this is before. This is exactly what happened, and this is why I wouldn't go break even. Because they'd be like, okay, we if we do push, we just like come back, we would touch break even, and then we would just instantly fucking go back down, which we are doing right now, but we'll see what happens. I feel like lately we just had no fucking momentum. Well, I made 79K. Yeah, Tyrone, I made like 60K in 4 weeks. And now I'm just getting absolutely rinsed. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. That's the thing. On this trade, I wasn't even looking for. Like, it's like, oh, you could say it's a bad trade because it's like, or like, because it didn't win, obviously. But then you look at ES. ES did the same thing and pumped higher. You look at Nvidia. Nvidia did the same thing and was pumping higher. Like, Nvidia, or like, and I was literally going to be out at the fucking high. ES took the high. Nvidia took the high. Like, they both pumped, just Nvidia, or NQ didn't. No more GoFundMe needed, bro. Is the GoFund? I didn't need the GoFundMe before. But, oh, let's see what happens. Let's see if we if we get a push down or if we just rip back up higher and fucking run through my stop. So now you are planning to scale? No, I had already scaled Tyrone. Now I'm descaling because I can't fucking pass any accounts or make any trades. I just buy accounts and blow them without winning. I haven't won a trade and I've lost my last 11 trades, Tyrone. Glad you're relatable. Hate seeing influencers say trade this time only in this and stay out of this condition. Then a week later, TP ripped on Asia late night trade. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's like because it played out, it was good. Yeah, no, I don't know. Everyone just makes it seem so simple, and it feels simple when you're winning, and then when you're losing, it's the same thing with fucking softball. When you're fucking, I relate it to hitting home runs. Like you go up there and, like we do like fucking slow pitch softball or whatever, and I hit like 8 home runs in the first like 12 games of the season. And then I didn't hit another one after that. Like, and when you're hitting them, it just feels so easy. Like, you sit there, you just swing, and the ball just connects with the bat, and then you just go yard. You're like, oh, that was easy. And then when you can't, you're like all of a sudden a couple games go by, and you're just not hitting them, and it just doesn't feel right off the bat. And you're like, man, how did I ever hit a home run? This is fucking impossible. And then it's like the same thing with trading. Like, you sit there, and when you're winning, you're just like, oh, yeah, I just buy and get long, and you win, or whatever. Like, yeah, this bear flag happens. We bounce off the VOA, we trap above those or whatever, or we bounce off the VWAP, the EMA or whatever, and then we push lower, we make another leg, and then we push lower, and we go right to my target. Like, it seems so simple. And then when you just sit there and you're just making flags or you're doing shit and it's just not working, you're like, how did I ever make any money? This shit's impossible. $11, man, I know you'll be back. At least you are white. That is true. I do have one thing going for me. Yeah, the forbidden talk in the trading communities, none of the gurus mentioning how often the market will change your strategy. It's constantly adapting. Yeah, they're like, all I do, they're like, I back tested this and it worked forever. I'm like, I just don't believe any retard can go in and be like, I heard this model, and then I go in and I back test it, and just doing this is profitable over, wow. I mean, that was the trade. This is what it used to do. We're back, baby. We're so back. I didn't take it. Like, literally, this used to be every trade. It's like, okay, we break the flag, push down, pull back to break even. Don't go break even because then it's going to fucking run. And you either take the profit here at the initial push down, or you sit in the drawdown and wait and get the full target. Yeah, but that is true. Like, they're like, oh yeah, just follow this thing, and then and then like you sit there and you're like, you're never gonna like. They're like, oh, I made this much. Look. And the problem is they write like per month. They're like, oh, how I made $50,000 per month, and it's like, no, you made $50,000 1 month. It's like I did the same thing. It's like, or I didn't write like I said it differently though. I said I made $60K in the last 40 days of trading, or 4 weeks of trading, or whatever I said, because I'm like. Everybody's like, oh, $60K per month, and then they make you feel like they're making this every month, and it's like, it's just not the case, because you rinse the market and then you get rinsed, and then you rinse the market and then you get rinsed, and like that's just how it works, or from my perspective at least. Or yeah, see, I said I made $59,768 in a month from my mom's basement. Lol. Yes, flag, this happened. Confidence comes and goes. This is why they say focus on the process instead of the result. Right, smooth operator, but it's so hard to, like, people are like, it shouldn't affect your day, and it's like, well, when money affects most people's day for most of the time, it's like, if you're not, it shouldn't affect your day, but when you work a regular job, you have to spend fucking 10 hours of your time there. It takes up all your energy and all this shit, and that's what you care about, and, like, it's the same thing with this. It's like, how am I not supposed to care if I'm trying to move out and I'm losing every trade for the past 3 weeks? Like, I'm just wasting time. Do you not just go through win and lose loss streaks? I mean, like, that's the problem. Like, most of the time, like, I feel like I'm not. Actually, you do. I mean, you go through win streaks, you go through lose streaks, and then you go through, like, you just up and down, break even. So I guess you just go through everything, which makes sense. But God, the losing streaks just always seem Like, the problem is because you think you figure it out, and then you never actually figure it out. You just have to keep adapting. You don't take partials? There's no right or wrong. Just wondering. No, if I only trade one mini, I would never put on two minis, and no, I don't. It's kind of like I only want to be all in or all out, but I don't really know. Maybe eventually at some point, who knows? But my winning streak just ended too, so I'm on the same boat. Yeah, but there's a difference between your winning streak ending 6 and your losing streak. Like, you're not all losing streaks, you just lost a trade. Like, what about micros? I'm just not a big micro guy, honestly. I mean, I could trade 10 micros and scale out 5 at the like first like initial high or whatever, and then try to hold for a target. I mean, like this one I didn't even have a target other than this, but it's like this I have the target here, but I also have that, so you could like get in, scale out 5 here, and then hold for up there if it did happen. I am ready for you to scam me. What's a Discord? Is it on WAP? I don't have a Discord. I don't know how to teach people. I can't teach people anything. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. I made money just because I know how to follow my rules and not go on tilt, not because I have a fucking great strategy that works every day. What about, bro, usually it's like 2 losses, then you know you're gonna win now. I swear it's like 5 losses, boom, boom, boom to the head, and you feel like switching everything. That it literally is, like, that's the thing. You can like be winning and lose like 2, 3 trades. Once you hit like that 4th losing trade, you're like, uh-oh, is this like, and then you hit the 5th and you're like, oh, it's fucking Jover. I used to be the same way with full position, but I found out if I made some rules with taking partials, it took it out of my hands. I got you. I remember someone saying you have a Discord. No, I don't. They want me to make one. I just don't have one. You're better than 95% of the traders out there if you consistently follow your rules. Exactly. Problem is consistently following. Like that's also what I can't. Like if you go to anything, it's just. Let me see. Trying to see examples of things. I have so much brain damage, I don't even remember what we were just talking about. What were we just talking about? Oh yeah, following your rule. Yeah, like so many things. Like I can't find any examples right now, but I feel like most things are literally just like, oh, all you have to do is follow your rules. You're not being like, it's like, dude, I follow my rules basically from the beginning with every strategy I did. It is strategy. It's not rules. Rules is a part of it. And you actually have to know what the fuck you're entering on. It's like, great, if you set one, it's like, just follow your rules, whatever they are, and you'll be profitable. It's like, so if my one rule is that every time it gets to a pivot point, I sit there and I buy. And I can follow that and enter the same size and have the same stop and the same take profit every single time, I'm going to be profitable. It's like, it just doesn't work like that. And I know that's like a super simple one, but I also remember you said John is really small and skinny, or was this Jack? Jack's small. Neither of them are skinny. They're big fatties.
I don't know. It's like 5'10", 165, small and skinny. Where's that trade all the time?
What, this?
Yeah.
That's literally the trick. This is what used to happen. You used to just enter, it would break, it would retest, it would break. And like that was your low. Like it'd come in and push up, it'd make the low, it'd make this, and then it would just go. And that's the thing. Like, does this trade look that much different than this trade? So just a bull flag running back to some EMAs in the VWAP. What is this? Or this is a bear flag running back to some EMAs in the VWAP. This is a bull flag running back to some EMAs in the VWAP. Like, it literally looks the same. You were losing 200, I took. And I'm like 190 right now. I got down to 180. I was like 210 or something. I got down to 180 in like 2 months. We were on a cut. Did you take that sell? No, I didn't. I didn't take that sell, Raven. I just said it looked like I called it out in real time, but I was just seeing what would have happened, and then there, Wix monkey. Is that what it is? If it's just straight wicks on both sides, I just stay away. Like, define a wick. That's a wick. That's a wick. That's a wick. That's a, I mean, I know what you mean. More like this. If they're all like this, maybe I go back and look at that. If everything's just super wicky, then yeah. Second one's clean. Was too demoralized and scared to take it. Well, not. It's just like I can't lose. I mean, 11 points. Realistically, I probably could have lost it. Like taking this and lost. I am so demoralized. Amazing. HM like choppy, right? What's that? Me, I mean not you. Oh. I got you. Yeah. Did you take this flag poppy or no? Hard to trust on get. That's the issue. It's just the wicks choppy. I guess. Yeah, like if you're just wicking up and down, up and down, up and down, and like that your flag is with that, is it not as sturdy as that? Maybe I go look at that honestly and see what. Trying to call out that sell on my Telegram only for $20 best signals in the game. Got another one in London, nothing this session. I got you. Raven, that name, I promise you, I will put it in slow. What the fuck? I don't know if I'm missing context or what, but that sounds very strange. Okay, it does sound. Okay, clearly I'm not. Clearly, alright. I didn't know if I was fucked up or if it's just what that said was fucked up. No, I'm with you. Okay. Tyrone's an OG, Raven. Tyrone was here before you. I mean, I guess, like, this isn't really wiki and realistically did the same thing that I wanted. Like, this basically did the same thing as, it's like, went up, came down, trapped, push up higher, off the EMA, came up, went break even, push back up. You could have got, like, I mean, you could have got 40, but I don't know, there was really no targets. It could look clean, and then when you enter get wiki, I mean, yeah, I mean, you can't do anything, like, you can't really assess anything after you enter, you know what I mean? Like, or like back, or like make rules around what's gonna happen after you enter. I mean, well, you can, but like, it's just like that. I mean, that's out of your control, but maybe if it's wiki like that, I can't take it. But that's the thing, like, then do I still not take it when it's like this? Like, yeah, maybe I don't get in early here, but if it's like this, and then we come back, when we come back up to it and take out this level, it's like, can I not enter because the original flag part was wiki? I have no idea. Even just seeing that gives me some confidence, though. At least it fucking exists. I thought they fully patched my strat. Maybe they did. And they realized it needed a minor buff, so they had to throw it in at 1026. They make you wait now for it. Let me see. What happens later in the day on these? I feel like sometimes we abuse our strategies, not like beat your woman abuse, but like push the boundaries of when we're winning. No, it's more like, you know what it's like? It's like when it's good, it's really good, and then all of a sudden, like, you know, she starts being a bitch or something. She gets annoying. She says one thing that's just annoying. She wants to go on vacation. You just went on vacation. You don't want to. You're trying to, you know, save money, trying to do something. Or something happens, she wears some outfit that's ugly, and then that's when you start looking, oh, well, maybe breakouts aren't the move, it's support and resistance. It's that girl over there instead. Like, that's how it works. You're always just, when your strat's working, when everything's going good, you're not looking at other girls. So when she starts being a real bitch, or when the strategy's just losing, then you're like, supply and demand. Is ICT really the thing? Is that the move? Maybe price action off open was very consolidating, while post 10 a.m. had directional price action the whole time. That's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, this isn't even. Is this directional when we come all the way down and then all the way up and then all the way down? Like, before, it's like we would never make, like, sure, maybe we would chop around here, whatever, but it's like once we picked the direction, it was like, okay, clearly we want to go down. It's like we would go here and then maybe we'd like trap up and go here, but it's like the fact that we, all right, Jesus Christ, I'm gonna have a stroke with all this fucking letters on here now. Hold on. With all these drawings on here. It's like, yeah, before, if we finally found a direction like this, we would never come all the way back up here. I swear, we would just be like, oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now it's like fucking whoop, whoop. And then it's like, okay, so clearly we don't want to go any lower. We took out this low. We bounce off the pivot point. Now we're going to go up and try to take out, nope. Pull back here, like, you think you would pull back here and make this? Nope. All the way back down, flag. All the way back down, flag. Exactly. I look at other girls no matter what analogy. Alright, Diego, my bad. I didn't know you were a dog. Meanwhile, kid's still missing out on fucking Cruise Girl. He still misses her. I've been checking out ICT since losing confidence in my strat. My bitch. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing. She starts being a hoe. She starts fucking losing. And then you're like, alright, you know what? Maybe she's not that hot. Maybe ICT is the method. Maybe that girl over there from next door, she's not bad. He looks like your brother. Who, Diego? Don't insult me like that. Diego, who doesn't take a look? Is this the same thing? Like before, I would take the short. Or maybe not, because we're pretty far away from probably EMAs, I'd guess. Yeah, I'd want to pull back to at least like the 2. It's like that. Like that's. Get below this. Stops here. But yeah, I'd want to see the 2-minute first. Like, look at Mike. Yeah, right. Guy left forever. He just came back. Oh, man. Like maybe we trap here in the 1 minute, break below here, and then come back up and then go. That would be like in the olden days, back when things were good. Man, but if I had to, I would. I trade ICT, but it's just a way of interpreting candlesticks. We all see the same candles. People overcomplicate it. Nope, I changed my mind entirely. ICT is the method. Fucking bear flags and bull flags don't work. I'm getting rinsed too much for them to work. Clearly, you guys know the way. I feel like you've been winning a lot, Diego, right? I haven't been watching the videos as much, but I see the titles. I'll click on some. I like watching trading content, or I like trading more when I'm winning. When I'm losing, I don't want to watch anybody fucking win. I fucking hate everybody. And since I've been losing, I don't want to watch anybody. I use fair value gaps and order block on the 1 hour for some higher time frame buys. Not gonna lie, I got you. Haven't lost this month. Getting used to trading the more accounts though. So low key small. Mindless brother is your younger friend. YouTubers? What? What are you talking about, Tyrone? Up like 312 on my 325k Apex accounts. Nice. I think I made you rich with the Apex sale. I think I bought like fucking 40 accounts and passed like 13 of them. It was awesome. 400 my time. You haven't lost this month. I haven't, Diego. I've lost my last 11 trades. It's over for me. Everything that once was is gone. Or it looks like you know him. I mean, I don't know him in person, but I've talked to him before. Close to another payout on Top Step, considering taking 450 from Top Step right now. Oh shit, he's balling. Teach me your what? Can you teach me? I need advice. Oh, see, this is exactly what I thought we were gonna do. We're gonna come up to like this fucking 2 minute, and then we're gonna go. You sit there, you get short on this. Take profit as loss. So, who has the Discord on WAP? I have no idea. Diego has the Discord. Oh, my win streak and positive both couldn't have come at a better time because now my confidence is validated by results. The real test will be how I handle my next losing streak. I'm actually scared for it. Yeah, I'm about to quit trading, Diego, so hopefully you do better than me when you hit mine. Or when you hit yours. Because this shit sucks. Is this, you took out your clear and obvious lows? Are these like clear and obvious lows? You take this out and now you fucking buy the inverse or something? I don't know how it works. Something like that. Or actually, I know they all have to be valid, so realistically it's like this one way up here. Seems big. It's a big green candle to short. It'll come back. I do like longing the 5 minute closing, but the only reason it's not great is because of equal lows. I think we push lower. I want short, man. This looked like the short, AJ. This is the short of old days, back when it worked. Now it only works when I don't take it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. See, why is it a perfect short? Because it lost. Because it won. Like, I mean, the candles were a little more wiki, big, obvious move down, sideways continuation. Yeah, but it's just not big, obvious move up. That's exactly how the losing streaks feel. I swear, when I couldn't win a trade in March and April, any setup I hesitated on or didn't take would print, and I would be struggling for 20 points. New York time I trade, or any time I trade. Yeah, it's brutal right now. First one is just one big fat candle to one direction. What do you mean? I mean, this is a bull flag. No. We push up. We push up. We push up. Oh, no, we don't push up. We push down, then we push down, then we push out, then we push over, then we push out.
You trying to restart our Madden 23 league? I'll download it again.
Yes, but after 9:30, the volume and volatility changes. Turn the volume on and look at it. Oh, shit. I mean, obviously, it's pre-market New York session. It's way different, but it doesn't mean the direction is not, like, it's not moving in the direction.
That just doesn't mean the market sucks. Trading sucks.
My losing was so bad that for 4 months I didn't win 2 trades in a row. Yeah, but also because you weren't following your rules. There's a difference of losing and like entering trades and holding, or entering trades and panicking and selling and buying and then re-entering right after and doing that. Like that's a different type of lose. Like that's a user error loser streak. I mean, obviously, I'm coping right now so hard by saying this isn't your user error. Obviously, it is because I'm the one fucking clicking the button. But it's like when you just take the same trades that you've been taking that were working, that literally just printed you your best month. Well, clearly I'm not. Or Priv seems to think I'm not. But
We are.
fucking flied. Ugh. Dude, this fucking fly, I swear to God. It must be
What?
2 because I killed one yesterday. Now this fucking fly is back. But, alrighty, I'll be back tomorrow to lose, so if you want to watch, tune in. If not, I understand, because this shit sucks. But, alrighty, I'm out of here. I've been break even last week and no trades this week, if that makes you feel better. AJ, I haven't won a trade in 11 days. You think anything that anyone says makes me feel better? Mike, from what I've noticed, your wins happen after a specific time. That's all I'm going to offer you, man, because I care about you. G, study what time it works, and you'll see at the start at 9:30 is a lot more wiki and crazy. Priv, I went back and showed literally like my last 5 winning trades that I took were all between like 9:35 and 9:50. Like I don't really think it's that much time based. If anything, I felt like I was losing more like from like 10:30 to 11. But I don't know. I'll try to reassess and see what the fuck is happening, but I don't know. We'll see. Here's what he says, man. Then sure. Yeah, we'll see. But alrighty, I'm out of here. Peace out.